Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about the primary key and foreign key relationship. Let's see with practical example here. First of all, I am going to use a database Abhi. I have already a database Abhi, so I am just going to use the Abhi database. Select it and press F5 to execute the command. Right now I am using the Abhi database. Okay. And next I will create a table bank with the two columns, bank ID, int, make it a primary key and bank name as a varchar 30. Okay, and select it, execute it. Okay, my table bank is successfully created here, and next I will insert two records in the bank table, 1, SBI. Look here, I have given here the bank ID as a 1 and bank name as a SBI. Select it and press F5 to execute. One row inserted, then bank ID as a 2, bank name as a BOB, and again select it and execute it. I have inserted two records in the bank table. With the help of select star from bank, we can see the records. Press F5. Look here, two records displayed here from the bank table. And next I will create a customer table for creating the foreign key relationship. Just write here, create table customer, and write here bank underscore ID, int foreign key references bank, and then customer name, customer ID, int customer name as varchar 30. Okay, and select it and execute it. Okay, customer table successfully created here. Look here, I have taken BID bank underscore ID int, declare or make it a foreign key, giving here the reference of the bank table. Means the bank ID and the bank ID column common for the customer and bank table. In the bank table, bank ID make as a primary key, and in the second table, means in the customer table, I have make bank ID as a foreign key. Okay, why we make the primary key and foreign key? First of all, look here, why we create the foreign key or create the relationship of the foreign key. First of all, I am going to insert a record into the customer table, customer values, giving here 1 and customer ID as 100 and name as a Ram, and select it and execute it. One record inserted into the customer table successfully. The foreign key, look here, the foreign key value first check by the bank table, in my case bank table bank ID. one ID already exists into the bank table, so it will insert it here successfully. If this value means bank ID does not exist into the bank table, on that case it will give an error. Look here, suppose that I am giving here the bank ID as a 3, that is does not exist in the bank table. On that case it will give the error here. Press F5. Look here, the insert statement conflicted with the foreign key constraint. The conflict occurred in the database of he table dbu.bank column bank ID. That means if the value does not exist in the bank table, on that case it will give the error message. If the value exists in the first table bank, on that case it will insert record into the customer. In my case, suppose that I am again giving here the column bank ID as a 1 and select it and execute it. It will successfully insert it because foreign key take the duplicate, but primary key take only unique key, not duplicate key. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks a lot.